Hello, welcome back to the channel. Good to see you here. So in this video I'm going to be showing you some basic carving cuts. I found this quite difficult when I first started carving, so I thought these might be helpful. So here I have a piece of lime wood, and as you can see I'm doing what's called a sweeping cut, which is where when you go from the bottom and you sweep in an upwards motion, as you can see, just taking off. You can take larger bits if you want, but you risk the wood cracking or ripping. Here I am doing a stop cut, and then I'm going down towards it, as you can see there. Now I'm doing a V cut. This is a good little cut if you want to do under noses or under arms or other things like that. It's also a really good cut to mark areas where you want to come back and make larger cuts, or maybe bigger stop cuts and things like that. So I'm just coming back to this stop cut, tidying it up a bit. Now I am going to show you another stop cut, and you can see I'm sweeping up to that one. So again, this is quite a good cut. It helps you make grooves and areas that you can make eyes and things. This is called the pairing cut, and here you literally just very gently pull the knife towards you using your thumb as an anchor on the wood. What I'm doing now is doing another stop cut where you sweep up to it. As you can see, I use my thumb against the thumb that's holding the knife, and this helps me use it as an anchor, especially when coming down in direction, because it means if I do happen to slip, that the thumb on my left hand just gives me a little bit of protection to stop the force of the cut coming down. Here I'm going to show you I'm not sure what the name of this cut is. I call it a stop cut, but other people might call it something else. And you basically you make a line, and then you go in at probably about a 45-degree angle, and you cut towards the line, and you kind of take out like a groove almost, so it's not directly sort of a 90-degree angle. So literally that cut will go 45 degrees. This is really good for doing eyes. It's really good for doing mouths. It's really good for helping get detail into things. In my next few videos I'll be showing you how to utilize these cuts and use them to help you turn a seemingly boring piece of wood into a beautiful piece of art. Until then, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any videos. Also, don't forget to give the video a like if you liked it. Every little like helps, as they say. So I think there's one more cut coming up now, which actually I totally forgot about, but this is, I call it a triangle cut. So you can use it anywhere. Here you can see I'm just making two stop cuts at a 90-degree angle, and then I use another one in the middle at a 45-degree angle. I'm just going a little bit deeper, sort of in the vicinity of that 45-degree line, and then I come in just in front of it, and the wood does rip a little bit, unfortunately, but you can kind of see what I'm going for here. You get a very deep triangle cut that adds quite a lot of depth. This is a great cut. It's difficult, and the wood doesn't always agree with what you're doing, but when it does, it's a great cut to use. Catch you in my next video.